Good morning, everybody. It's November 14th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto market, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has inched up to 24 from yesterday's 22. Bitcoin dominance is 38.2%. 24-hour volume, 74 billion. And the overall market cap is 841 billion. Give or take 100 million. Well, she's been a crazy few days, if not weeks, if not year, my friends. I'd say it would have been hard to predict such an unraveling of epic proportions. But like I said many times before, I'm not a Bitcoin maxi, I'm a human minimalist. And when you get too many humans looking after a pie, well, she slowly gets eaten up, and the people relying on that pie, well, they go hungry and wonder, hey, why did the pie disappear? No one's supposed to be eating it. But that's what humans do. They walk by the pie and think, well, I'll just take a little piece for myself. No one will know, and I'll put it back somehow. And they do this over and over. Before they know it, the pie disappears, and so do the people who ate it. And as bad as this FTX debacle is, and it's bad, it doesn't hold a candle to the mother of all Ponzi schemes called the Federal Reserve. And that pie is also being slowly eaten up. In fact, 94% of that pie is already gone. And who's been eating that one? Well, of course, it's the decrepit psychopathic elites that told us they'd protect it. By now, the words "for your safety and convenience" should set off every red flag in your mind. One of Bitcoin's fundamental truths is the eradication of trust and the introduction of self-custody, which provides you the safety and convenience you've always had, but was told had to be given to a strata of greedy, corrupt politicians and career banking grifter cartels. That take your wealth and, well, convert it to theirs and leave you with nothing but generational debt, so large that we can't even conceive what it looks like because the number's so huge it's unimaginable. We can somewhat picture what $1 million looks like, but what does $1 million look like? That's 1 trillion, and that's a million, and I've already lost myself in these numbers, and $1 million isn't even close to the generational debt these greedy pie eaters have saddled us with. And as the FTX saga unfolds, we will see just how deep the corruption goes. And it's the opinion of this humble piano that it's so high and deep that we will start to see Epsteinian consequences play out. Look at the 4-hour chart. Sees we rode the 20 moving average all the way down, finding a bottom and a bounce for now. 15.7, a higher low, and I think I'll drop this channel down to make more sense of our new positions. I'd like to see price action flip the 20 to support and make a run for our new line of resistance up at 18.2, but it will have to contend with the 50 moving average barreling down at her as well. And when I do think of Epsteinian consequences, the first name that comes to mind is that a dad alert? Yes, it is. A mild one letting us know that price action has made lower highs, while the MACD has made higher highs, resulting in some hidden bearish divergence, signaling some more bearish chop suey, but not a reversal. Now over on the ding-dong sees my bearish worst case scenario that I wanted to skirt over on Thursday. Well, she's played out. Now over on the ding-dong, I wanted to skirt over a worst-case scenario for a would-be bear flag. Now if, I say if, we mince words here for a couple more days, we will carve out mother of all bear flags, and the price probability of that would be, and sing it with me now. You take the pull, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 10.2-ish. In holy halopshi-eating contest if she didn't do just that. And yes, that bear flag has a probability of 10.2. Why you gots to. Quick look at the Wookiee seas we painted in our historic, never before seen septupular bearish engulfing candle. A candle which engulfs the previous 7 candles. And all I can say about that is to double down on the heartbreakingly optimistic target of 18.2 we talked about on the 4-hour chart. Because if we mince words down here, we'll corroborate the daily bear flag with a weekly bear flag of its own, whose playout probability, as you guessed it, 10.2. And if you thought only men get Epstein, well, just wait for... Is that a dad alert again? Yes, it is. A subtle notice that the MACD is taking a turn. Looks like she might be heading south, and my friends, we don't want to see that cross bearish amongst this chaos. But I suppose it's amongst chaos that it only ever does. Now, yes, it's been a red Monday as far as content, but I wanted to leave you with my bullish take on this madness. This party, our party, is weeding out the bad actors, the uninvited guests, whose greed and malice has ruined it for now anyways. But this is what we want so the cycle can return to normal, so it can play out as it should without humans getting in the way. It's the opinion of this piano that those price predictions of plus 100K and up that were talked about last year would have been hit. These darn meddling kids hadn't sabotaged the party at every turn. And now, as a community, we pick up the pieces and move on, and we will. It's what we do, we hodl and we persevere because the market rewards patience. It always has and it always will. And who knows? We may make up for all this bearish distortion in the next bull run, because that's what the free market does. It corrects itself and eradicates man-made distortions. And what we are seeing now is the eradication of man-made distortions. And remember, we're playing the same game as all psychopathic elected leads. And that's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spang, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa. Make sure you like and subscribe and share.